Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tifine is here. I hope everyone is doing well. So on today's video, I'll be doing a little bit of cleaning. I'll be showing you how I usually wash my curtains using the washing machine, and I'll also be doing a review of the washing machine that I'm using. A lot of you guys requested for this, and also I'll be doing some behind the scenes of the photo shoot I had. So I hope you stay tuned and enjoy the video. So this was early morning. I was preparing some breakfast for hubby and also the kids. So I had previously made some mandazis. So this is like the second day. So here's what we having for breakfast. This one is for hubby and this one's for hubby. Morning guys, it's fine nice here. So hope everyone is doing well. So yes, it's a beautiful morning. I've just taken my breakfast. So yes, I want to do some little bit of cleaning. So mainly to clean the floors, a little bit of the toilet tiles, and also disinfecting surfaces. Yes, so I'll also do this in the living room and maybe in the kitchen. So I hope you stay tuned. I want to do what I should say, 'cause I got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about going to be mixing this lavender bleach with some water. If you have an empty container for spraying, the better for you. It makes a very good disinfectant.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
So moving on to the floors, I'll be using the Omo detergent combined with the Omo lavender bleach. So this one is very effective, especially on your tiles, and it's advisable to use hot water for better results.
Let me be that someone who can hold your hand.
So moving on to the bathroom, I'll be using just 3 products. You really don't have to use a lot of products or expensive products. These 3 or even 2 are very effective when cleaning your toilet. So this is Vim, the Omo detergent, and also the Omo lavender bleach. So the bleach will ensure that every surface is disinfected. So it's a very, very effective disinfectant considering it's bleach. Apart from disinfecting your toilet, it will also make it more sparkling clean and also more whiter, so it will remove any stains you might have. And to top it up, it has the lavender scent, so that's a plus. You'll not have that pungent smell of bleach, so it has the lavender scent.
Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed. I don't know about you, I'd put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, spend a little let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that.
And we are done with the cleaning. You can see how clean it is. It is smelling amazing as well, so fresh and just so clean. So also the surfaces, my taps, any place that we usually touch, I've also thoroughly disinfected with a solution of water and Omo lavender bleach.
One who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next.
So for the living room, I'm only going to be disinfecting surfaces and the places we usually touch a lot.
The two of us are golden, are gorgeously. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real 'cause I am gold, I'm golden. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control.
So this was on a previous weekend. I had removed the curtains to wash them, and I wanted to show you guys how I usually wash them. So because you can really not remove the curtain ring when washing, so I usually tie them with a rope and then I put it in the washing machine. So I'll show you how I usually do it, and it's very effective. So it will ensure that your curtains are not damaged by the washing machine, and also your rings are intact.
And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
So I usually use the bathrobes. Yes, those two robes from the bathrobes, and also you can use from jackets or some coat like I've used in the next curtain.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
So like this one I've used from a coat. There is a belt that comes with a coat, so I've used that belt and into the washing machine. So the best thing about this washing machine is that it can hold the two curtains, and they are quite big and heavy, so that's a plus for it. So for those who are asking a review for the machine, it's an LG 11 kgs washing machine, which is also AI enabled, and it also has Wi-Fi. So yes, it's quite big. It can comfortably wash a duvet, a 6x6 duvet. So if you're not sure about what to set, you can just put AI wash, and then it will sort it out for you. So for this one I set easy care so that my rings are not damaged, and also it has a function of Wi-Fi where you can actually set it up from your phone, and it has a lot of features when you install the app. And yes, I can say it's quite good. I bought it we bought it from Hotpoint, and at that particular time it was on offer. Yes, so it's quite good. You can actually search for the features and see if it's something you can consider. So on to the shears, I've also tied it with a robe, and then I'll put it inside the lavender bleach, the Omo lavender bleach, so it will stay there for about 1 hour, and then I'll put it in the machine.
Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed. You know you.
So the curtains are finally done, and you can see it is intact. It has not been damaged or anything. And yes, the machine is quite good considering it's not wash and dry, but the curtains are like almost dry. They don't have any drop of water or anything. So if you're in an area where you usually have sun, a lot of sun, there's really no need to buy the wash and dry. Those people who don't have sunny days most of the time are the ones usually who prefer the wash and dry. Because with this now, I'll just put it in the line on either my balcony, or I'll go put it outside, and then within a few hours or minutes it is dry. So yes, I'll advise you to consider that, because if you pick the one with wash and dry, it will just be expensive for no reason. It will just hike in the price, but you really don't need the wash and dry. So yes, this one is also almost dry. It's just a little bit cold, but I wouldn't say wet. So I've also put the shears inside, and then I'll put the lavender bleach, the Omo lavender bleach, and then I'll leave it there to wash.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me.
So on to a different day, I was doing some laundry as well, and it was quite a lot. I was washing the heavy stuffs. These are the duvets, some towels, and some clothes that have accumulated throughout the week. So yes, I wanted to show you here how I'm using the washing machine as well. And this one has a specific option of cleaning a duvet, so I just picked that, and the duvet will come out very clean and almost dry. As I told you, if you're in a sunny area or you have exposure to the sun, there's no need for a wash and dry. So yes, I'll set it to the duvet, and then it's set to the time, then I'll leave it there. So I also have I think I've shown you before where the water comes from, and there's a socket. So those are also things that you need to consider if you want to buy a washing machine. You need to know where the water source will come from, and also the socket, the electricity. So another thing that you really need to be careful with is make sure if you have anything that has a zip, it is zipped up, or if you have anything in the pockets, make sure you check the pockets and remove any items in the pockets. So I'm also separating the bright colors and the dull colors, but this specific washing machine usually tries to capture any cloth that is removing any color. Yes, so the duvet is done, and as I told you guys, it's almost dry. When I just put it on the balcony, it will just dry within a few minutes or just 1 hour. So for the price, this washing machine was ranging at around 140 shillings, but it was on offer at Hotpoint. So yes, we considered either LG or Samsung, but hubby preferred the LG. So so far it has been awesome, it has been good, and I can say it's a good investment if you can afford it. If you can sacrifice to buy one, just buy a quality washing machine which will serve you for a long time, instead of buying, let's say, a smaller version or lesser kgs, and then later on you'll need to change.
of us and we can stay up all night.
So this was a random morning. I was making myself a sandwich. Yes, I had intended this to be a burger, but I did not have the burger bun, so I decided just to use bread, and it turned out so good. So yes, I used everything that I wanted to use on the burger. So yes, these are lettuce, the what is it called, the sauce, and also the patties. These are chicken patties. It is one which I've sliced it so that I can have two of them, and then some tomatoes, an avocado, and yes, it was so delicious. It was like late breakfast stroke lunch. Yes, I just took this and I was good to go for the day. So yes, you can try it out. If you have the patties, you can try it out. And also there's someone who asked me how the sauce was, the burger sauce. It is so good. It is actually very good. I can highly recommend it. Instead of always making it from scratch, just buy the burger sauce from the supermarket. I got this from Naivas, and it stays quite a while, and it's good.
Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand.
So this was my photo shoot behind the scenes, and I just went there plain and with bare face. So yes, they were doing my makeup. So if you're those kinds who don't know how to do their makeup and you want to go for a shoot, yes, they'll sort you out. And here's the final look. I really love this makeup, from the eyes, the lips, everything was just popping. I really loved this makeup. So on to some dressing. So she was styling me because it was my birthday. I had to wear this queen crown. Yes, this is what we were fixing. So this place is located at Custom Mill Business Center, and this is along Thika Road Super Highway, Seasons Kasarani. So I think most of you know that area because Seasons is common. They are called Bumpy Divas on Instagram. I'll put it on the screen. And yes, they do a variety of shoots. If you want a maternity shoot, family shoot, birthday shoots, they do all those shoots. So apart from that, they also provide you with the gowns or the wraps, and then they style you and also do your makeup. So it's a whole package. So for the prices, please check them out on Instagram for all the things, or if you have any inquiries, you can DM them.
Doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
So this was my second outfit, and yes, I was really loving this color. I love bright colors, you guys. So yes, this was just popping for me. I loved this color. So yes, it was so fun, and they'll give you styles if you don't know how to pose. As for me, yes, they were telling me how to pose. They have a great team out there. So, and this Khalidi is just wonderful. Yes, she was doing the most. Yes, she will help you out. So this one was my last outfit, and I really loved this color. I really did not think that black could be beautiful, but after seeing it, it was so spectacular. So I really did enjoy my sessions with them. And yes, I also went there with the family. The next time around we went there. So yes, I hope I'll share with you guys in my next video. So yes, that's basically it for today's video. I hope you stay tuned till the end, and if you're new, welcome, and please do remember to subscribe and join the family. So for my followers, thank you so much for being here and showing me love and just your support. I love you all, and thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. I really do appreciate, and I love you back. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Let me be the someone